Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope all are keeping good health. Children, today I will begin a new lesson number 14, means of transport. So let's read the lesson and try to understand it. Lesson number 14, means of transport. So children, take out page number 63 in your EVS book and start reading from here. Vehicles used to carry people and goods from one place to another are called means of transport. So what do you mean by means of transport? Means of transport means vehicles which are used to carry people or goods from one place to another are called means of transport. There are three types of means of transport. They are land transport, water transport, air transport. Children, do you know earlier people used only animals as means of transport. Nowadays, still animals are used somewhere for transportation. Like in desert, camels are used to carry people and goods. In hilly areas, pony and mules are used to carry people and goods. In forest, elephants are used to carry logs and people. In villages, bullock carts are used. So first we will learn about land transport. The means of transport which run on land are called means of land transport, like buses, cars, bicycles, trains, etc. Some means of land transport are fast and some are slow. All the means of land transport have wheels to move on. Land transport is the transport or movement of people, animals or goods from one place to another on land. It is the most common means of transport. Here you can see some examples of means of land transport like bicycle, rickshaw, motorcycle, car, bus, truck, tractor, train. And here you can see all the means of land transport have wheels to move on. Water transport. The means of transport which run on water are called means of water transport. Boats and ships are the chief means of water transport. Most of the international business run through water transport. So water transport is the transport or the movement of people or goods from one place to another through water. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport, but it is very time consuming. And most of the international business run through water transport. Some examples of means of water transport are boat, ship, steamer, and submarine. Now we learn about air transport. The means of transport which fly in the air are called means of air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the chief means of air transport. This is the fastest means of transport. They save much time. So air transport is the transport or movement of people or goods from one place to another through air. Air transport is the fastest and expensive means of transport. Some examples of air transports are aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon. Do you know the supersonic planes fly faster than the speed of sound? Children, this is the picture of a supersonic plane. Children, the speed of sound is very fast, but the supersonic plane fly faster than the speed of sound. Energy for transport. So what is energy? Let's understand it by taking example of us. Children, as we need energy to walk or run. To get this energy, we have to eat, drink and sleep properly. And this energy is our fuel. In the same way, transport also need energy to run. Let's read and understand it. Different transports need different types of energy to run. Some means of transport need diesel or petrol to run. Look at some of them. Here you can see picture of some means of transport which need diesel or petrol to run, like motorcycle, car, aeroplane, bus, ship, all need diesel or petrol. Some means of transport do not need any fuel to run. Look at some of them. Here you can see picture of some means of transport. They do not need petrol or diesel to run. They need energy of human beings to run. For example, bicycle, glider, boat, rickshaw, paddle boat, handcart, etc. They need human energy. Now we will read about uses of transport. Different means of transport are used for different purposes. Some of them are specified for carrying persons only, like bus, train, aeroplane, etc. Some of them are specified for carrying goods only, like trucks, ships, etc. There are also some other means of transport which are used for other purposes. Look at some of them. Children, different means of transport are used for different purposes, like bus, train, aeroplane, etc. are used for carrying people. Trucks, ships are used to carry goods. Some means of transport are used for other purposes, like rockets are used to go into space. Tanks are used by soldiers in armed forces. Ambulances are used to carry sick patients. Tankers like oil tankers, water tankers are used to carry oil and water. Children, our lesson number 14 has finished here. Hope you have understood it. Now all of you will read this lesson at your home. Okay children, bye. Thank you and take care of yourself.